Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you my Java project of learning management system. First I show my system and its functions after I show you my code part. I am starting the project. I run my main class. Here you can see a login interface of my system. Here you can see login button and cancel button. I enter the username Mithun, password 1234. Then I click login button and you can see a home page of my system. In here there have 6 buttons, 545 interfaces and logout button. Firstly I click add this student button. Here you can see add this student interface. I add new student for this table. I enter the student ID 7, name Saman Kumar, email kumar@gmail.com, gender male, science. Then I click add button. It automatically added to the table and database, and I change the name Saman Nimal and change the course management. Then I click update button. You can see successfully update this record, name and course. Here I can see delete any record. I delete this record 5 Tarindu Namal. I enter the student ID. Student ID is 5. Then I click remove button. It successfully removed in database. Then I exit. I go to the home page. After I go to the course, here you can see course, add course. Then I enter the course ID 2, course name law, lecture ID 5, total credit 2. Then I click add button. I didn't show the table in here. You can go to database. In my database, this course, you can see it already added. Then I can update it record. I change the credit 5. I click the update. It automatically update in this record. Then I can also remove this record. I click the remove button and refresh. Here you can see it already removed. Then I click exit button and go to the lecture button. In this same as that course, I didn't show the table in here. I add new lecturer, lecture ID 2, name Ubuntu email ubuntu@gmail.com. Then I click add button. In database refresh. You can see successfully added. Then I change the email 1 2 3. I click update button and refresh the database. You can see email is updated. Then I also I can remove any record in database. I enter the lecture ID 1. I click remove button. Then database lecture ID 1 is already deleted. Now I click exit button and go to the home page. Then I add new assignments. This interface you can see I show the table in here. I add new assignment. Assignment ID is 3, course ID 2, assignment title mini project, open date 2, and due date I can select July 18. Then I click add button. You can see it automatically added in the table. Then I can change the due date. I change date and click update button. You can see it already updated in the table. Then I exit, go to the home page, and I search the assignment because I need to search assignment, open date and due date. I enter the course ID to assignment ID 3. I click search button. You can see assignment title, open date and due date. I exit and I also remove assignment. I enter the course ID and assignment ID. I click remove button. Then I exit. I go to assignments. This record already delete in the table. Okay, then I press the logout button. Then automatically go to the login interface. This is my system interfaces and it functions. Now we go to check my code part. So now I'm going to show you code part of this system. I designed this project using MVC architecture. MVC stands for Model View Controller. In here I did my design in view package and button performance in control package, and database connection is in model package. So now I show you some double OP concept in my system. In here you can see getters and setters. It is way to how use encapsulation in my project, and home class I use inheritance. You see this highlight part. The home class is extend for javax.swing.jframe. It is inheritance using for this system. In the search class I use instance variable, course ID and assignment ID, and I use access modifiers. This private keyword before the instance variable is used for access only the search class. It is access modifier. So in this project I use software like NetBeans 8.2, Oracle version, and XAMPP and MySQL for connection to the database. So this is all about my LMS system. Thank you for watching.